Laundry is one of the most common tasks that we do daily, as our parents did. From the invention of the washing machine, there are 5 best washing machine with agitator that still have strong sales. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Speed Queen TR3000WN 26-inch top-load washer. Speed Queen is well known for making commercial-grade washers. The performance of their washer is great. This Speed Queen TR3000WN is an agitator-type washer whose washing capacity is 3.2 cu feet with an energy consumption of 64 kilowatts per year. For more durability, its wash tub is made with stainless steel. Speed Queen TR3000WN has an auto water level sensor to confirm that each load gets sufficient water for making an efficient wash. Its agitator rotates with a series of short and long strokes to make a detailed wash. Number 2. FRIGIDAIRE Top-Load Washer. The FRIGIDAIRE FFTW4120SW is one of the best top-load washers with an agitator that comes with innovative features, but it's relatively budget-friendly. It is specially designed to be highly energy efficient and also to use high-efficiency detergents. Comparatively, its 4.1 cubic foot washing capacity isn't so high, but it's still enough to handle your daily loads. This washer comes with a stainless steel tub where its traditional agitator can perform its duty smoothly. FFTW4120SW offers you many options for soil levels and temperatures. Number 3. Speed Queen TR7000WN Top-Load Washer. Speed Queen TR7000WN offers 3.2 cu foot capacity with maximum cleanliness, full tub wash, and rinse options. A built-in water level sensor confirms that every load uses enough water. This machine comes with a 210-degree agitator that creates 60 strokes per minute. Its stainless steel tub and agitator work together to create a premium-like wash by moving the maximum amount of water through clothes. A bleach and fabric softener dispenser are available in this machine. Its extra rinse option confirms that your clothes are thoroughly cleaned of dirt and soapy residue. Number 4. Whirlpool WTW4616FW 3.5 cu foot white top-load washer. Do you need a washer with a deep water wash option? Then Whirlpool WTW4616FW with 3.5 cu feet can be your perfect choice. Its powerful traditional dual-action agitator helps detergent and water to clean dirt and stain from clothes effectively. This top-loading washer cares for your delicate clothes and also with other washables with delicate cycles. Its wash basket comes with smooth porcelain that prevents your delicate fabric from snagging. Whirlpool WTW4616FW works almost quietly and doesn't shake as most of the washers do. Moreover, this machine comes with a good water level detector sensors. Number 5. GTW685BSLWS Washer. GTW685BSLWS is one of the top-rated washers in the market. This classic washer is equipped with 14 wash cycles to meet every kind of clothes. You can monitor its wash load through a soft closed glass lid. This GE washer comes with a straightforward control panel that is easy to use. It comes with a knob in the control panel to select wash cycles. Because this washer features a self-cleaning cycle along with other wash cycles. For rising and spinning, it has a separate wash cycle. To provide a powerful reversing wash action, this machine is featured with a dual-action agitator.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.